Hello, Calvary families. My name is Tony Carter, and this is my first year here teaching. It's not necessarily my first year at Calvary, though. I went here when I was in elementary school and middle school. I'm coming to you this year with 16 years of teaching in North Carolina. I taught in the middle school education, mostly social studies. I love teaching, and I'm excited to be in a Christian school. I've been in public school for a long time, and so I'm really looking forward to this change. Some of the roles that I'll be taking on is I will be the Dean of Students. Now, what exactly does that mean? Well, it's an evolving role, but really taking on a lot of administrative duties, really kind of face-to-face with students, whether that be student recognition, discipline, just being in the hallways, getting to know students and helping out in any way I can. It's an evolving role, like I said, and more responsibilities come as I kind of get into it. And my main role right now has been athletic director. And so I've met a lot of you in that role. We have a huge group of student athletes for the fall season, and that has been just really neat to see our soccer, golf, volleyball, and cross country take off. And I've gotten to know a lot of coaches and parents in that aspect, and students as well, and really enjoying watching them play. My other role is going to be a 7th grade world history teacher, and I'm excited that I still get to be in the classroom. I kind of was a little torn whether I wanted to step away from teaching or not and take this administrative role, but having a class to teach has really kind of been a blessing in that sense. This is going to be 7th grade world history. Now, what are we going to be learning in world history? Well, everything. And so anything and everything is on the table for this year. And I'll be working with Miss LaCrone to see what you'll be learning in high school in world history and trying to supplement that any way we can while you're in 7th grade to get you prepared for that. We'll look at empires, look at wars, look at major people, major inventions, things that took place that really impact how we live our lives today and what really shaped the world into what it is at this time. And we're also going to look at how Christianity has made an impact in those areas and across the world throughout history, and how, current events, things that are happening right now, how those things are impacting us personally, even though they happened across the world, but also what took place in history that have kind of dominoed into these things happening. And can we make any connections? And so I'm really excited about this teaching world history. It's been a while since I've gotten into world history. I've been focused mainly on U.S. history for the past few years. So looking forward to it, getting to know this group of 7th graders and really all the students at Calvary.